Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to program the one-touch function on your Volkswagen. So basically, if you've had the battery disconnected, you'll lose this function. It loses the memory on it. Also, if you had the door or window motor disconnected, it could also lose it. But it's pretty much the same on any Volkswagen, but this one, I've had the battery disconnected, and you can see one touch is not functioning right now. So this one's really easy. Pretty much the same on all Volkswagens. But you are just going to roll the window all the way up to the top. And then once you're at the top, hold for just a couple of seconds, let go, and then your one touch should be operational. And that goes the same for all windows. So you can do a couple at the same time, but once the windows are all the way up, hold it for a couple of seconds, let go. One touch is now operational. Same with the back ones. Hold them, hold it. And that's it. All the one touch is programmed there. I do want to thank you for watching this video today, and I hope you found this video helpful.